Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2022 Porsche Macan. This casting is by Matchbox. It's part of their mainline casting and looks like a nice casting. Seems to have some good details. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Porsche Macan out of the box. The first thing you will notice is this orange paint, which is very not SUV like. You end up seeing these paints on sports car, but you don't really see these on SUVs. But then Porsche Macan is a kind of sporty SUV. So I like the paint on this one. I think Matchbox did a good job. Let's start from the front. Up front you got some good details. You've got detailed headlamps, detailed grille. You also got the Porsche badge up front. Windshield with windshield wipers. It looks good. You got both the mirrors. Also from here you can see the top has a big sunroof or panoramic sunroof. So good details up front. Let's move to the driver's side now. So onto the driver's side, these wheels we have seen on so many different Matchbox throughout the years, but again they don't look bad here. They kind of suit the car. I like the color they did. It's not chrome, it's kind of a dull chrome or grayish kind of chrome, which looks good. Apart from that, door handles you can see here. You can also see the slight design in the body, which again looks good. Coming to the back, again good details in the back here. You can see tail lamp is detailed. You can see the Porsche written in between the tail lamps there, and also the Macan S badge. Quad exhaust at the bottom, again looks good, and a small spoiler on the trunk lid, not the trunk, the hatch lid, you can say. Coming to the passenger side, it looks almost identical. The only difference I can see is the fuel filler cap on this side, and the interior is done in black, which again kind of looks good. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall thoughts, I think it's a good looking casting. I really like the detailed headlamps and tail lamp and the badges. I also like the color on this one, very different what you see usually. And for a mainline, I think it's a very good casting. So those are my thoughts about the Porsche Macan. Let me know what you think about this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.